Do you suffer from dry skin on your feet? Is it so bad that your heels have cracked and it's gone from simply being a nuisance to a painful hindrance? These common heel fissures are a result of the combination of thickened skin and dry skin. Sometimes they cause discoloration and can become infected, if not properly treated. If the cracks or fissures are more than just on the surface, they could begin to bleed. So it's very important that even before you begin to experience some or all of these painful symptoms, that you do what's necessary to prevent the problem. If you've already begun to see cracks, and there aren't any infections that require professional medical attention, consider these home remedies. 1. Petroleum jelly and lemon juice. Mixing lemon juice with petroleum jelly normally takes care of any cracked heels quickly. First, you need to soak your feet in warm water for 20 minutes and dry them thoroughly. Take 3 teaspoons of lemon juice and mix it with 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Massage the mixture on the affected areas and let it sit for at least an hour. If you'd like, you can leave it on overnight, making sure that you wear socks to protect your sheets. You should see results in 1 week. 2. Apple cider vinegar, honey, and rice flour scrub. Another fantastic way to take care of heel fissures is by making a mixture of apple cider vinegar, honey, and rice flour. Use 3 teaspoons of each and mix them all together. Before applying the paste, make sure that your feet are clean and dry first. Again, it's best to put some socks over the paste and let it do its magic overnight. Just rinse it off in the shower when you wake up the next day. It should only take a few days to see the results. 3. Olive oil massage. Olive oil is great for your skin. It moisturizes well, keeps skin smooth, and people have used it in baths for hundreds of years. All you need to do is massage olive oil into the cracks on your feet. It will not only heal these small cracks but will assist in good circulation. Alternate between olive oil, almond oil, and coconut oil for similar results. 4. Honey. One of the great things about honey is its antibacterial properties. It's not only sweet to the taste, but can also do a great job of nourishing our skin. It's been used in home remedies for thousands of years. It's also very easy to use. Just mix half a cup of honey in a bucket of warm water and soak your feet for about 20 minutes. When your feet are good and moisturized, scrub them with a washcloth. You can keep up this treatment until you see the desired results. 5. Bananas. This is one that you may not be familiar with. Bananas. They're great for heel fissures. Simply mash a few ripe bananas into a paste. Rub the paste on your heels and leave it for about 20 minutes. Wearing socks over the paste through the night might make this treatment more effective. As an alternative, use mashed avocado with coconut oil. 6. Oatmeal and olive oil paste. Adding 2 ingredients with great healing properties is always a good thing. Oatmeal helps treat irritated and inflamed skin. Most commonly used by moms with kids suffering from the chicken pox or a sunburn, they add it to a warm bath to relieve the itch. Mixing 1 tablespoon of oatmeal with the same amount of olive or almond oil forms a perfect paste. Apply the paste to the affected areas and wait for about 30 minutes before washing it off. Using this treatment a few days every week will make your feet look and feel great. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.